The PureFlo drain expands on Kohler's rich history of design and innovation. It's comprised of 5 rough drain models and 7 trim kit designs available in a wide variety of finishes. The rough and trim kits are sold separately. From seamless installation to design and 2 actuation choices, this new bath drain has something for everyone. Kohler offers a choice of rough drain materials to satisfy the plumber's installation preference and to meet local plumbing codes. Material choices include 17-gauge brass and Schedule 40 PVC. Plumbers will appreciate the flexible neck, which allows a quick fit no matter what slope is encountered on the bath wall. If the drain hole in the bottom of the bath and overflow are misaligned, the flexible neck makes for an easy adjustment. We've also included an ABS adapter that works in conjunction with our PVC rough drain. PureFlo is available in 2 cable lengths, a 30-inch model for 14-inch to 21-inch deep baths, and a 45-inch model for baths 21 inches to 26 inches deep. These new designs are available in a basic rotary handle with an easy upgrade to contemporary, traditional, and Victorian designs available in both rotary and push-button actuation. Installation of the PureFlo rough drain is a straightforward procedure. Please consult the enclosed instructions for variations in the PVC drain installations. After the pipes have been measured and cut to size and the dry fit process is complete, remove the overflow and drain L from the bath. Apply silicone sealant to the overflow gasket. Next, reattach the overflow to the bath using the flange and alignment tool provided. Then insert the flange screws and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Add plumber's putty around the entire base of the flange and silicone sealant to the drain L gasket. Position the drain L under the drain hole and install the flange on the top side of the hole. Secure it with the bolt using a large blade screwdriver. Connect the drain tee to the waste pipe to complete the rough drain installation. The decorative trim options and installation features are what set the PureFlo drain apart from the competition. We understand that people change their minds before new construction or the remodel is complete, or that damage can occur on the job site. The PureFlo trim kits can be installed or changed out at any time without accessing or removing the entire rough drain. If in the future the bathroom design or faucet finish needs refreshing, or you want to change from a rotary to a push button, there is no need to remove the entire drain. Kohler's new technology features a rotary cartridge and a push button cartridge already attached to each handle. Both cartridges install to the same rough drain, meaning if you need to make a change, just remove the existing trim kit and install a new one. Start by removing the alignment tool for new installations or the existing trim for handle replacements. Push the handle in firmly and rotate it counterclockwise. Remove the escutcheon if it looks different from the one that is currently installed by pulling it straight off. Firmly push the new escutcheon into place on the flange. For rotary handles, hold the tabs and turn the handle a quarter turn clockwise to extend the button. For both push button and rotary handles, align the tabs and insert the handle assembly into the overflow L. Push in firmly and rotate the handle assembly 1/4 turn clockwise. For best performance of the drain, there should be a 1/4 inch gap between the escutcheon and the handle. To adjust the gap, remove the handle by pushing in and rotating the assembly 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Loosen the set screw and twist the stem in or out to adjust the length of the handle. Align the set screw with the nearest slot and tighten the set screw. Reinstall the handle. Install the decorative flange, then install the appropriate nut to the drain. Install the stopper. Check for a correct fit. If the stopper does not close completely or does not raise high enough, adjustment is required. Loosen the nut on the stopper to adjust the screw up or down as needed. Tighten the nut. Reinstall the stopper. That's all it takes to change the design and function of KOHLER's PureFlo bath drain. This new revolutionary product makes new construction or a bathroom refresh quick and easy, while completing the look of the entire space. In the past, the bath drain was just a necessity. Now it becomes an important part of the overall design and gives the user a choice, expanding on that personal touch that differentiates them from the everyday.